Today we received an interesting case. We had a customer's iPhone 12 Pro that was delivered to our office, and a very anxious and stressed out customer of ours was really upset and emotional that she lost 36,000 photos and she had no backup ever done on the phone. She told us that the phone just suddenly turned off and would no longer charge or turn on. After a trip to an Apple store, Apple offered to replace the phone, but recommended she get the data recovered first. It came to us for a second opinion, and luckily we were able to temporarily fix the problem on the logic board. We found a short circuit on the phone. With this particular case, we found out that our customer told us that the phone had actually been exposed to liquid damage, but the phone continued to keep working for about 2 weeks after that, and then just suddenly failed. In this kind of case, we were able to recover all the data, including all 36,000 photos, and we had one happy customer at the end of it. So if you do get any sort of any kind of hardware issues, generally mobile phone repair shops can fix, I'd probably say about 80% of them. We spend a lot more time, sometimes up to 30 or 40 hours, compared to mobile phone repair technicians that they might actually basically swap the battery in the screen and do some basic troubleshooting, and they normally give up as they usually charge a very small fee, and often their customers are not prepared to wait several weeks to get the data back. Some things just take a lot of time and effort. Most of the time we're successful. If you have any problem with iPhone, feel free to send us a message or reach out to us. We'd love to help you.